Imagine a car that not only redefines electric driving, but also sets new benchmarks for performance, technology, and sustainability. Enter the 2025 Tesla Model 3, a vehicle that seamlessly blends cutting-edge innovation with everyday practicality. Today, we'll explore what makes this car a standout in the automotive world. The Model 3's design is a testament to Tesla's commitment to minimalism and functionality. Its sleek silhouette isn't just for aesthetics. It contributes to an impressive drag coefficient, enhancing both efficiency and range. The flush door handles and clean lines aren't merely design choices. They're deliberate decisions to optimize aerodynamics and energy consumption. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that embodies simplicity and sophistication. The centerpiece is a 15.4-inch touchscreen that controls virtually all vehicle functions, from navigation to climate settings. Rear passengers aren't left out. They have access to an 8-inch touchscreen, ensuring entertainment and comfort for everyone on board. The use of premium materials and meticulous attention to detail create an ambiance that's both modern and inviting. Performance is where the Model 3 truly shines. The long-range variant boasts an EPA-estimated range of 363 miles, allowing for extended journeys without frequent charging stops. Accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds, it offers exhilarating performance that rivals traditional sports cars. The dual-motor, all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and control, adapting seamlessly to various road conditions. Charging infrastructure is a critical consideration for any electric vehicle owner. Tesla's Supercharger Network provides convenient and rapid charging options, making long-distance travel both feasible and stress-free. Additionally, the Model 3 supports home charging solutions, allowing owners to start each day with a full. Battery safety has always been a priority for Tesla, and the Model 3 is no exception. It has consistently received top safety ratings, thanks to features like collision avoidance systems, emergency braking, and a robust structural design. These elements work in harmony to provide peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. The driving experience is further enhanced by Tesla's Autopilot system, which offers advanced driver assistance features. While not a substitute for attentive driving, it aids in tasks like lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, reducing fatigue on longer trips. Continuous over-the-air updates mean the system is always improving, incorporating the latest advancements in autonomous driving technology. In terms of practicality, the Model 3 offers ample cargo space, with both front and rear trunks, providing versatile storage options. The rear seats fold flat, accommodating larger items and making it suitable for various lifestyle needs, from grocery runs to weekend getaways. The environmental impact of driving the Model 3 is significantly lower compared to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. By producing zero tailpipe emissions, it contributes to cleaner air and a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. This aligns with a global shift towards more sustainable transportation solutions. However, it's essential to acknowledge that no vehicle is without its challenges. Some owners have reported issues with build quality and service experiences. Tesla has been proactive in addressing these concerns, continually refining production processes and expanding service networks to enhance customer satisfaction. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 represents a harmonious blend of performance, technology, and sustainability. It challenges the conventions of what a car can be, offering a glimpse into the future of transportation. Whether you're an enthusiast of cutting-edge technology or someone seeking a practical and eco-friendly vehicle, The Model 3 presents a compelling option that's hard to ignore,